011-394904. Getembe Television, Ekeonga, Kiamamogusi. Enokem agrovet nigo yabere nambayemo asogo konelia amaryogo ne chindagara chichitugo asorogo ngurugusi ne chinsemo chichitanaine amangana mayanaya bono ba mentre obokoreri bwabo asure nkoni bari chindagara chitugo na supplements nkoni bari boigo amaryogo yetugeyega nkoni bari chingokom na maryogabo nkoni bari amoyo na folia feeds abo asibako amoyo kurwa company ao asingincho yebimeri byao nkoni bare chinyeke chikibando nabo igo obutu ubwe chinyene ao nkoni bare ebicucu byitkerimo kurwa asachi company ao nkoni bare embegu yechieri ao abwasi bakora artificial insemination nigo bagutoka asumucu busongo eduka yabo enene ere angena market Plaza Nabukoba Kiresimi ase number 0115318887 Urusegerunde Nigurore Mbarase number yabesimira 01133888513 Urusegerunde Oronene Noro ya ase umuchubusungu Ndoliya rugutuka ase ensemo ya jogo Barabare neskuru ya jogo Kuba Kiresimi 0740 186688 Enokem Agrovet Limited Ije Numusanyo.
Right umwanchumurane Jumamosi tariki kianda mutinyi 11 omwaka wigana manga abiriga kwanekigwa kurwa Chinsemo chinga kiboigo egatiya abakenya bange bagenda tukubure serikali gochiago keania amaguriye bintu mnenchira ya kuru kwa Kevin Onkoba kabana enjoy komoli Ekeonga weekend nigo togo chakurwa ase county ya Kisii litkoria lero nigo abarai awikirana ase giti Kenya miobo yigo toka sebungi ya bonchari county ya Kisii asomo igabo komwene yo kabiro mujumbe obonchari umuske John Zebedo Opore nabo abange nigo babire bagukwanira ubuyabwaye abwase abange babirwa komunyaramuna nigo umuske Opore akorete mirimo ya asenchira egwenerete na nirbuya egati ya abarai kwega mbwekana wa mnenchiremo yugo kinia Chinsemo ime nesko yorogongo rogusi
ngomongino anyore para na wento ko gure kibiriti na maino sobori Bono bonchari asmaturi eliboronge elinde tochoro monto ungabuno apore Ariwego Romanyete monto bokire mambio mwakire kura asmo monto yanyore kende kirago karapa Ariwego Abanta unara kebali Gora asmaturi eliboronge tukale conversation kamanye monto tokacho no apore Okorieri moronge morora abantu bakamunompole mbarabya ndemo bore amali bana bakubate Kaliboyo amali bamabate story na bakubate yo mane guse mwindi nanga bunopole kuyana ombaki nwara amana abantu byamono sana ugakuchire tusabenya sae linde akonye familia ngema sana
byamono umosike mwindi former councillors na former MCA Nente peneli bageliga ntebega pole sana ase family yo mwako opole no muntu lengo bia igalenge mnengo mbengoro o kamera ndo gosebono igo toibweze bobe lakini ase ni jambo kweli ndogora kende yonse Igere Morioka chief Laikire miaka 40 Ane mmoja teka baganda Igongo teba iga Balibale nge magega Asogo saria matanga Yesu chaye itopole Nabara uruo Kebanyole Nabara Wagende mwabo Kenya nyuma. Yamono.
Sinabo Mbuya, and then Tevali Apoko, Muyabana Sabaskani. Como issue of foreign as Yogo Chumbe, Nareke Parliament, Gotiana, the parliamentary staff.
Familia va toete monto okoroku opore. Ekerena maeta opore, taria crea angria mangana siasa. My father koroku Samson atancha, abange momo maeta. Ekere inde college into achete to kachikoropore konyatara soa siasa. Igo ekere mo manyete, timo manyere titru siasa, imo manyete ekera okorega si ART. That is when I noticed that was a gentleman. Ekere to akorete siasa for my first attempt here in 2022. Toka umera na nere, toka ikaransa, toka teba bas, toka buiru, tiato ikaranse, tororenga kina ende after that. A year later, nko ibru ende oruade. Ekele familia ngakrete simi, I stood with them. Ngateba, opore no montomanyete, he was a friend to my father, he's like my father, and we respect him. I attended. So Indega Igati, not because of politics, but because of a person that I knew who was a good man. Mangana siasa will do badai. But today, Natora, let us respect that man who lies there. Let us respect him. Ndobasko reta segi, ndobasko mana, ndobasko chegionde, ndobasko ramonde.
Wanchumuri atokwirana asense moise michinga kiabor kigwa bagendre tamona matemu abo yikirasi gikomna kabiri KCSE. Igobo igo amasomo agenda tuguturbana ase University ya Moi maega ya abor kia gusabor kia kurwa asense mekunya kabagwa soke no temna mbali gochia kwirana mirimo goika serikali yabirge kurigiria ngane yo gento boigo kia birge kwirira abor kigwa bange kuburwa amasomo watkana amo no mugiro oyugantwan kigwa ase university
omo kwake.
Please save Moi University. All what we want is money. 8.6 billion. And these members have said, we really love our university so much that if the money can come now, we are going to class immediately.
The rain started beating us when the new management came in. And now, for the record, we have not been paid. They have not remitted our loans for the last 84 months.
What you have said, you saw me when I was giving a way forward in Parliament. Yes. And one of the things that you've discussed here is a caretaker management.
Yes. Kiona watu ambao unaongoza wamekataa. Usingoje usukumwe.
Kama inapewa caretaking committee, afadhali sasa iongozwe na mama.
There is a lot that is going on, and we are not working alone as a university. We are also working with the ministry and other government agencies to ensure that we are back.
Wanchu murigere to kwirana asense melia yobo chenu ko batkana amo no mugiro bwa abanyitari yobirwa kwane kigwa asamut kamaiga nigobone serikali wetira ase wizara elia ekurigeria obo chenu imensi ya Kenya yabirge kwane kinga ne chikunya kabage gwakana abanyitari bari asense moya intern okwana chinga kecho nigobo igo egati ya abarai korwa ase serikali abiro bakubolia wizara elia tenrete anamono obo chenu kurigeria engane yumna nchiremo yokwane kinga abanyitari abiga. In
the return to work formula, we agreed that the basic salary arrears that is owed by the counties to the doctors is going to be given as a conditional grant by the national government. And already Treasury has written to the Ministry of Health that we will be allocating 1.75 billion shillings in this financial year, because the 3.5 billion was to be paid within a period of 2 years. So this financial year, we will be having 1.75 to pay the basic salary arrears that is owed by the counties to the doctors. And I want to report confidently that we have budgets for the interns this year, and we will be paying where there is no contention And I believe we are not going to have any contention. So the interns that are in the field who have been working for months on end will be paid, and we are processing their payments so that we are able to move away from that again. And we also promised to give a conditional grant to the counties, 3.7
Wanchimura tutikarite asenseme yo obochenu niko igatia barai kurwa ase wizara ibabiri bagwe sokyan na kwanera igoro yo bututukanu bogent kwanikigwa ase omurobuli o Social Health Authority okwana chinga kechu ni serikali yabirige gotamuna niko barachikobeke mirobuli saine na kurwa obasemgo chia saba Kenya kubatkana amonu kwemrungania skeli bagotamuna oikaboniga niko murobuli yo otaigo kora emerimo asinya gitari ao.
The concerns we have again is communication. There is a lot of misinformation in the various platforms, and what we are encouraging is that we need to have the right communication for Kenyans. Because when we visit this facility, we have seen a lot. Right now, we've also moved through the cath lab, where patients are benefiting through surgical procedures that are up to 900,000 Kenyan shillings. And Social Health Insurance Fund is covering. And so the thing is, some are informed and some are misinformed. Been in a meeting with the SHA colleagues, and we are looking to set up the help desks as soon as possible, soonest by Monday. So we will have the help desks to improve registration. And you can see this is coming from that level, the political elite, because they have seen that it actually works. Yeah, it is just because of misinformation that Kenyans are not utilizing the services. And so we are looking to expand to ensure that we have help desks across and even to the various constituencies, so that people can actually register and have access to services. Regarding the stranded patients, we are requesting that they can reach out through the call center to the Social Health Authority, and each individual case will be addressed accordingly. But we are working on policies to ensure that there is access.
Right, umwanchumule ni gatiari tukenda tukunya kamangu kuarga nese Ekeonga weekend Chinsa ikomi kiabona magoro.
Getembe Television Ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Twatire kuma maine twatire kuma geni ohuru maine otire
Ongo igekonya ebintu ao aseli buliriko kona ngomubuko nkonya bale ebintu byobwaga kibuna bono amabati kurwa siche company ao emesumali yechingenjo chonsi chichuma chobwaga chichingenjo chonsi chiwaya buna bono binding wires chiwilbaro chisimiti chobwaga kurwa siche company ao egati ebintu binde binge byobwaga chi moigo